Hello and welcome to Paula Armstrong Ceramics. I'm Paula and I am doing some quick little videos just to answer some of the questions that I get asked quite often about ceramics and anything to do with clay. So in this video I'm going to answer the question about repairing broken ceramics. I'm quite often sent emails from people asking whether I can do anything to help them repair a precious piece of ceramics that has been broken. The problem with this is because of the chemical reaction that happens to change clay into ceramic. Once a piece of ceramics is broken, there's not really anything I can do with a kiln that will help do any kind of repairs. I'm afraid we're all stuck with glue for repairing things once they're broken. The one thing that I do quite often recommend is that people look into kintsugi, which is a Japanese technique for repairing ceramics that honours the life and the history of the piece. I'm sure you've probably seen it. It's the one where they paint the cracks in gold. So they repair the work and then they highlight the cracks with gold. It makes for a beautiful piece once it's repaired, and I love the fact that they honor the fact, like, once it's broken it's not just thrown in a bin. It's honored because that's part of the history of the piece. It's been broken, that's part of its life, but it's then been lovingly repaired so that it can carry on, showing how beautiful it is. So yes, so I'm afraid kilns won't help you when you're repairing broken ceramics, but there are some different techniques like kintsugi that you can have a go at. So I hope that answers that question, and I will be back with some others. Bye.